Okay, let's talk about services now. One way to check it is to actually type in PS here and then -EF, like so. And this will give you pretty much all the services, but it's way too much information. So if you're looking for a particular thing, you don't want to hunt through all that. Of course, you just do that again, then do a vertical bar to pipe it, and then do grep with it. And then you can grep a particular one. For instance, what if I just want SSH, for instance? Bam, there it is. There's all the stuff just on SSH, and I don't get all the other information. And so that's great, and that lets me know a lot of stuff as far as that goes. Of course, we also use the system CTL space dash, and then whatever we want to do, like maybe we want to start that service, right? Then it's like SSHD and then service, and then that lets start the service. What if I need to restart that service? I type in restart. What if I need to stop it? Simply just change that from restart to stop, like so. And then what if I need to enable it? Enable, like so. And if I need to disable it, it's pretty much what you figure. Disable. Like that, and it lets you disable it. And that's basically how you can do the command line version of services. But what if you need to do it graphically? Well, in order to do that, come over here to activities, click in here and start to type service. And then you'll see services. Click on this window, pops up, and there we are. And then we have all these services here, and we can actually start and stop them. So, as far as like whatever you want to do as far as that goes for services. Like for instance, named is your DNS. I mean, you can do Apache in here, so on and so forth. Here's your SSH. So I can come in here with this and change if it's running or not. I can stop it. I can restart it. If it's stopped, I can start it. As far as that goes, I can enable and disable it too. So there's that, and that's how we go about doing the services graphically. All right. Very cool. So if you want to, I'll show you real quick. I can stop it, password. All right, and I can start it back up again. I can restart it, so on and so forth. There you go. That's how it works. Well, that was services. Thank you very much.